The Redmi Watch 6 is marketed as an affordable smartwatch that supposedly delivers premium health tracking and smart features at a fraction of the price of an Apple Watch. But the real question is, can it actually rival the Apple Watch, or is it simply a good budget alternative? Now, to be fair, Redmi has built a reputation for offering surprisingly capable devices at aggressive prices. The Redmi Watch 6 packs a lot of features that would have been considered premium just a few years ago. What it does well: excellent value for the price. This is arguably its biggest strength. You get a large display, fitness tracking, health monitoring, and smartwatch features without spending hundreds of dollars. Battery life is far better than most Apple Watches. While many Apple Watch models require daily or near-daily charging, the Redmi Watch 6 can often last for days between charges. Where the hype falls apart, it is not as smart as an Apple Watch. This is the biggest difference. The Apple Watch offers a much deeper app ecosystem, stronger integration with iPhones, and more advanced software capabilities. Health tracking is not medical grade. While useful for trends and estimates, the sensor should not be considered a substitute for professional medical equipment. Third-party app support is limited. Compared to the Apple Watch, the software ecosystem is significantly smaller. So, can the Redmi Watch 6 rival the Apple Watch? Short answer: for value and battery life, it absolutely competes. For overall smartwatch capability, the Apple Watch still holds a significant lead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.